Hello everybody and welcome back. On tonight's video we are going to be doing a winged bowl, and again this one has been donated by Yui Linesheart, so if it goes wrong and I go through the bottom of this one, it's Shug's fault. I believe it's Walnut and it's repurposing some old countertops. So now just defining those wings with the mid-size finisher there and starting to create the bowl shape. I had at the very beginning put some guidelines on there so I knew roughly where I wanted the bowl to start, and I've done the same on the opposite side so I know where the bowl needs to come out of the wings, hopefully in the same place. So there's the foot starting to be defined a little bit there. And tonight, as you can probably tell, there is no music. I've had a few comments in the last couple of weeks or so saying get rid of the music, let's do one without music and just have the natural sounds of the workshop. There we are now, just creating the mortise with the Easy Woods detailer, and then coming in with the #1 hollower a little bit below center. That should have been on center. And now with the roughing tool, just to square off that foot. And back with the detailer. And now on to sanding. So this did take a little bit of sanding, to be honest. 80 grit up to 400, and yes, we are using Klingspor Abrasives. This is actually 400 at the moment. I skipped through all the other grits. Sorry, Rob. And there we go. So now I've got it flipped round, back with the mid-size finishing tool, just to start taking those wings down. And you can see I've got that line there where I roughly want that bowl to start emerging. And it started to get a little bit dark, so I'm sorry, but I had to put the light on. I know it's bleached out the picture a little bit, but I really needed to see those shadows. Didn't want to chop my finger. And now it's a bit of an overhead there, just working away. Taking some light passes. So tonight's video, I promised there would be a Dremel 8240 Platinum Edition giveaway. That has now been drawn, and if you carry on watching, I will be doing the draw very shortly. Good luck to everyone that's taken part, and thank you for all the comments. It was very well received. I didn't quite expect as many as what I did get, so thank you again to everybody that watched. So now hollowing it out, gone back to the mid-size #1 hollower. Just slowly working that away. Don't want to go through the bottom of this one. Shug actually did give me 3 pieces of different countertops, and one of them, it was an oak countertop, and I kept working at it, and I did the famous one last pass and went through the bottom. So I'm determined not to do it on this one. To be honest, there wasn't getting any tear out on this one, so there was no real need to take it that far. And back to sanding again, 80 grit. This is 400. This is the final grit. Then I'm going to put some oil on this. So, giveaways coming up very shortly, just after the oiling. And again, I'd like to say thank you to everyone who's taken part, and seriously, good luck to everybody, and congratulations to whoever the winner may be. I do know that Jamie Page has got a Dremel 8240 Platinum also to give away at some point. So stay tuned for his giveaway when that comes up. I'm sure he will be announcing it whenever he's ready. Thank you, everybody, and hope you enjoyed. Now over to future me to start the giveaway. Good luck, everybody. Hello, and it's giveaway time. So, the Dremel 8240 Platinum, as you can see there, all the accessories that comes with it, and a bunch more just down here. Also on the giveaway, I didn't mention this earlier, I am actually going to be giving out to the winner 2 of these. Now these are 3D printed parts, you mount them to the wall and you can just clip your battery in and take it off when you need it. And also one of these. Now what this is, you can slide your key in there, your chuck key, and it has a little hanger, and I just hang mine up there so I know where it is all the time. So, time for the pickle wheel. All the names have already been pre-populated from everybody that was eligible to comment below, and here we go, and good luck. Twisted Pete. Okay, so Pete Ravencroft, hit me up on any of the socials, and I'll find out how I can get you delivered this 8240 Platinum Edition. Congratulations, Pete, and thank you for everybody that's been involved in this, and a big thank you to Dremel themselves for allowing me to take part in this this launch of the 8240. So thank you very much, and I'll see you again next time. Thank you. Bye bye.